and Batong Matalino. Maraming Puydang, Magawa. And Batong Masipag. Maraming Negosyong, Mapapala. Sipag at Tiaga.
In a meeting with U.S. President Joe Biden and Japan.
Axian at Husay. Unharinang Negosyo. At Unprecedented ng Pilipinas. A special educational vlog to learn business and life for progress and development. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning, the businesses of the King of Philippine Business, with your Denver Ninong Castro as Henry C. and a special guest, J.J. Ramonts as President Bongbong Marcos Jr. The integrated-minded and the business-minded. Studying Henry C's Nagdahan and Mountain Bliss resorts and properties and President Bongbong Marcos Jr. relationships with the C families for great business and progress tomorrow. Simulcast on Ninong TV April 12, 2024. Henry C., the King of Philippine Business. Only here at Ninong TV, your educational vlog show and entertainment.
Good afternoon to all of you, and what's up? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro once again. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching on Facebook and YouTube subscribers. And for today's video is another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine Business, Mr. Henry C. Na buong akala natin, SM lang ang business niya. Talagang literal na nagkamali tayo. So dahil napakarami po ng kanyang properties, hindi lang po mall, condo, banking, pero dahil 100 plus to, hindi pa rin natatapos ang ating studies sa pagtuklas ng kanyang iba pang mga businesses and services na ginagawa niya to serve the people and the economy. So yun naman ang number one purpose ng Tito Henry. Dahil sabi niya sa SM, we've got it all. Internally and externally needs of the people and the community. So ngayon, very special ang ating video vlog for today. Dahil pag-aaralan natin ang isa sa mga properties ng Tito Henry nyo, aside from SM, aside from real estate, pero marami pang iba na meron tayong madidiscover. And the title of our vlog for today, and very interested dahil yung makakasama tayong President of the Philippine Republic. Hindi natin alam. Our President BBM and Mr. C have a connection, or the C family and the Marcos family rather, for this one. So matutuklasan natin kung ano to. Pero muna, ang title ng ating video vlog is The Integrated-Minded and the Business-Minded. Studying Henry C's Nagtahan and Mountain Bliss Resorts and Properties, and President Bongbong Marcos relationships with the C families for great business and progress tomorrow. Diba? Ano nga ba ang magandang progress na magagawa ni Mr. Henry C at ni BBM o President BBM o Bongbong Marcos when it comes to progress, integrated, rise up projects. So parang creation to ng ating yung ating Henry C na RJ, but that is tackling the rise up projects of your Tito Henry. So ngayon po sa ating first line ay ang Tito Henry yung una. So as your leader, to be presented here the properties or the business that Henry C has. So meron po siyang Nagtahan Property Holdings at yung kanyang Mountain Bliss Resort and Development. So ano-ano nga ba itong mga business ng Tito Henry nyo? Na lahat ng ating mga nakikita sa kanya ay mga more on properties, more on services. Diba? So, lalong-lalo na para po sa ating mga educators, diba? Na kahit pa-ending na ang summer season, marami pa rin mga research. So, this can be help on your assignment or any purposes of education. So, first of all, we will have Nagtahan Property Holdings Incorporated. Hindi to yung nagtahan na nagtanan yung dalawang magjowa, ha? Iba yun. Baka kung ano naiisip yung tahan yan. So, ibig sabihin ng Nagtahan Property Holdings Incorporated, she holds the position of chairman of Nagtahan Property Holdings. The company functions through its subsidies, SM Prime Holdings. Nagtahan provided Philippines Securities and Exchange Commission or SEC. Yun. So, relation sa mga commission, mga business property na kanilang pinapatayo that they have. Okay. So, they have the property just like yung Save More, SM Prime Holding Project ay under na Nagtahan Property Holdings Incorporated ni Henry C. at ng kanyang mga Junakis. So, sila-sila din po yung nag-aasikaso ng business ng papa nila until now sa ating present generation para matuloy pa rin po yung legacy ni Tito Henry when it comes to property. Kagaya na lang ng ating mga kalsada, we also have the mall, we also have those of the condo. So, sa SMDC, pag tayo nagtatrabaho sa SMDC, may commission, di ba? So, under na kanyang Nagtahan Property Holdings, di ba? So, ano namang meron dito sa kanyang Mountain Bliss Resort and Development? May mountain na palang Tito Henry natin, hindi natin alam, no? Ano kaya yung literal na mountain ba ito? So, Multi-Reality Development Corporation, Penthouse acquired treasury shares. Treasures. Located in 10F1 Ecom Center MOA, Harbor Drive, Pasay City. And also an exchange commission. So, parang more on commission. So, dito sa Mountain Bliss Resort is a resort created by your Tito Henry and multi-reality development na pinapatayo. Pero yung kanyang main office ay sa 10F1 Center MOA, sa MOA mismo sa Pasay City. So, we discover Nagtahan Property Holdings and Mountain Bliss. So, ano-ano nga bang meron doon na mga business property ng Tito Henry nyo as we are part of the title na integrated minded and the business minded. So, you will check that. discover yung Nagtahan tsaka yung Mountain Breeze, di ba? Talagang super hard work ng Tito Henry nyo nung mga panahon na alive pa siya. Pero kahit naman nagbabay ng Tito Henry nyo at matagal nang naka-rise up ang pamilya niya, napipil pa rin natin ang serbisyo niya. Kagaya nito, buhay pa rin ang kanyang mga properties and other services to serve the people and the economy. Diba? Yan naman ang pangako niya kahit sa huling hininga niya, tayo iniisip niya. So, dito sa Nagtahan is more on property builds. Mountain Bliss is property siya pero isa siyang development and real estate at more on commission. So, ito yung mga nagsusupport sa ating economy. Yung mga build. So, how can we progress? Diba? So, kailangan natin improve ang ating business and services through this kind of the activity. Okay. So now, we will have a special slide of BBM or Bongbong Marcos or our president for today. President Bongbong Marcos slides to be rolled as our special guest, J.J. Ramos, my good friend and my neighborhood, no? At isa pa-birthday natin pa sa kanya kasi birthday niya ngayon. So, happy birthday, JJ. This will be also my birthday gift for you. Makasama ka sa isang business vlogs. Especially learning sa Borges and BBM. So, we will have Bongbong Marcos or President Bongbong that what he did to our nation. Ano-ano nga bang integrated yung ating pwedeng ma-adapt, pwedeng matutunan kay President BBM in order to help our nation and our community. Diba? So, we will have a special slide from J.J. Ramos. So, the stage is yours.
Ferdinand Bongbong Romualdez Marcos Jr., born September 13, 1987, commonly referred to by the initials BBM or BBM, is a Filipino politician who is the 17th and current president of the Philippines. He made successfully such as Pabahay projects from 2022 to 2023, Katiwa stores, hospital in province, Ayuda, expansion of mobile surfing, such as games, internet, and digitalization. Served also as senator in 2007 from 2010.
And meeting with U.S. President Joe Biden and Japanese Prime Minister Kishida Fumio. And it is aimed at advancing, which have long enjoyed warm and friendly relations and robust cooperation. It is a historic meeting, and meeting with U.S. President Joe Biden and Japan. Alam po natin ang bigat ng problema sa kakulangan ng pabahay sa ating bansa. Ito pong pambansang pabahay para sa Filipino Housing or 4PH program ay isa sa mga prioridad na programa ng kasalukuyang
are going to be after the last planting season, before the harvest, for the upcoming harvest, and what will be basta't nag-harvest na tayo, pagka umani na tayo, wala nang problema sa supply.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. says his government has started the construction of 1.2 million housing units under the Pambansang Pabahay para sa Pilipino Housing or 4PH project. This is part of the administration's earlier commitment to build 1 million housing units per year or a total 6 million houses in 2028 to address the country's backlog of 6.5 million housing.
Kung maalala pa ng iba din dito sa inyo. Ngunit, lalo na sa mga urban areas, wala nang lupa. Mahirap na makahanap ng lupa.
Million units. Asked if the government is still on track to reach its target of 6 million housing units by the end of President Bongbong Marcos' term, Acuzar replied, almost.
Almost. Kasi alam niyo po, bago yan.
Thank you for watching. You just discovered JJ Raposo. Thank you, JJ, for your production. At talagang pag BBM talaga, yung bahay niya parang Malacanang, no? Ang ganda. Diba? Sana all. Tito Henry nyo, simpleng pintuan lang yung background. But anyway, ang importante naman dito, we are giving you the lesson of the two legendaries. Diba? So si Tito Henry nyo, ay talagang napakasipag nito, and si President BBM. They are the two people who is doing the integrated. When we say integrated, ito kasi yung parang more on builds, mechanical, diba? More on production. Diba? Gumagawa ka ng mga project, and of course, business-minded. Business. You are doing that because of business. To support the people, the economy, to earn. You are doing everything because of business. Diba? So, yun po yung lesson natin dito. And now, it's time for collaboration of two. Henry C. and President Bongbong Marcos. That we don't know. The Marcos family also have a connections with the C families. So, ano-ano nga bang pwede nilang gawin na business or services to help our nation and to improve our Philippine economic to rise up once again. So we will have a special slide, very special to, dahil idol nyo si BBM, idol nyo si SM, magsasanib pwersa silang dalawa to give us the great education and entertainment. So check it out.
My business are all related: retail, shopping centers, banking, real estate, and tourism development. Together they create synergy. From your Henry C., giving you my business mind to serve the people and its economy. Thank you, President Bongbong Marcos Jr. and our family, for supporting my SM legacy to serve them happily.
Always forgive your enemies, nothing annoys them so much. From your President Bongbong Marcos Jr., giving you my integrated idea to serve the people and its economy. And thank you also to Mr. Henry C. and the family for welcoming me and my family in your SM Super Malls to serve them and to guide our nation.
So you've just witnessed BBM and NDC. Talagang ang mga C family. Of course, the Marcos family also have a great connection when it comes to business and properties. They are engaging each other to help the people. Diba? So, sabi nga ni Tito Henry, we've got it all for you. Kay BBM naman, ang pangarap ko ay pangarap nyo. Or ang pangarap nyo, pangarap ko. Diba? Integrated machine tayo. So, this is a great combination that we are studying. The business and entertainment, and of course for our dear educators. And by the way, sa mga watchers ko, maraming salamat po sa mga nanood ng 2012 Philippine adaptation. So it's now showing on Ninong TV, Facebook, YouTube, and also been part in TikTok, Google, Instagram, and some of the social media that is available. So, yung 2012 is study about the big one na ngayon medyo puso yung mga earthquakes. So, kailangan natin mag-ingat, mag-pray. We pray for safety that we're still alive. Diba? So, last time na yung sa Taiwan. So, ako po ay magpe-pray na sana safe kayo lahat. And safe ang ating mga OFW as well. And Filipino community. So, 2012 is adaptation from the movie of the Hollywood. So, starring po dito, very old, your Lino. We have Jewel Quinto. We have Jacob Pasha, Nicola Corte, and Miss Daryl Bergenal. And some of the casting. So, panoorin niyo po yan at talagang makakapulot kayo ng education. It's also been part of action, with comedy, meron ding drama, horror. Siguro horror na yung makita nyo yung nangyayaring the big one. Nakakatakot talaga. Matakot tayo sa nature para paghandaan natin. Diba? Parang gano'n. So, it's a combination of art production. So, nood na po kayo. And for those who wanted to buy, that is sales from 600 pesos. And your purchasing will also be part of the Ninong CSR, the Tulong Tao, presented by 2012 and Ninong TV, 2012 Philippine adaptation. So, we will have the CSR, no? Ano-ano nga ba yung mga CSR ni Mr. Henry C. at ni BBM sa pagtulong sa kapwa? Not only for producing business, for producing properties. Ano-ano yung mga good hearts na pwede nilang ialay sa ating community. Check it out. watching and God bless all of us. At dito po nagtatapos ang ating video vlog for today. The title once again, The Integrated Minded and the Business Minded. Studying Henry C's Nagtahan and Mountain Bliss Resort and Properties, and President Bongbong Marcos developed President Bongbong Marcos relationships with the Sea families for great business and progress tomorrow. So, thank you for watching and kita-kits for my new episode. So, subscribe Ninong TV in all of your social media accounts that you have, and let's spread the good education of entertainment and the good quality of vlogs that we are making, no? Para sa ating mga watchers, education, watchers, students, and researchers. Thank you, and this is your Denver Limong Caso once again. See you in my another video vlog of your Henry C, the King of Philippine Business. Goodbye, thank you.